Last summer, my friends and I decided to have a bonfire at the beach. It was a perfect night, stars twinkling, waves crashing. As we roasted marshmallows, we noticed strange lights flickering far down the shore. At first, we thought it was another group, but the lights moved erratically, almost like they were dancing. Then we heard whispers, soft and chilling, drifting with the wind. My heart raced as I glanced at my friends. They looked just as spooked. We tried to laugh it off, but the atmosphere changed. The laughter faded, and we felt an icy chill. Suddenly, the lights vanished, and so did the whispers. Has anyone else ever experienced something like this? What did you do?